Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about Stetho. It's a debugging tool for Android, which is used to debug our API requests. Um, I think you might have raised some problems when you are debugging your API request when you're developing Android apps. So I'm going to make it easier by using this Stetho. So first we are going to add dependencies for the library. I'm going to use this library for my existing uh, project, which I have used for uh, getting some data using retrofit. So let's add these dependencies first. I'll just copy this to my project. First, I'm going to build.gradle, and then I'll copy and paste this dependency. Then I'm changing this to implementation, and also another there will be another dependency uh, in retrofit. We are using OKHTTP3, so I'm going to add this one too. Okay, then I'm going to change this one also to implementation, and then I'm click sync now. Okay, now we have added our libraries to our project. So first I'm going to initialize Stetho here, and I'm going to import this library, this class, and then we have to add Stetho to our client. So first I'm going to initialize my client here. Okay. Now I just have to pass this client to my retrofit reference. So I'm just passing like this. So now we have already completed. Now I'm going to run this. It might take some time to run the project, so please wait. Once you load the project, you just have to go to the Chrome and type like this: Chrome ://inspect. After loading this page, you can see our project has been listed down here. So click on inspect, and then you will see a screen like this. When you press your API request, you can see it is listed here, and when you click on this one, you can see in network section uh, your request is the it will show some information like this: request URL, request method, and status code is success or failed. And also if you're passing some parameters to your request, it will also shown here, will be shown here. So, and when you go to preview section, you can see your API request responses like this. And according to my one, I can see my album update here. Uh, when you go to responses screen, you can see it as like this. And I think now you have learned how to use Stetho. I will be doing another tutorial for debugging SQLite using Stetho. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, and you will get more videos in the future. And I have updated my GitHub link for this project in the description. So thank you.